Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix the credentials you are using are invalid or have not been stored for offline use in Epic Games Launcher. Let's fix it guys. You just need to right click on the taskbar and select Task Manager. If Epic Games is running in the background, then just right click on it and select End Task. And make sure it is not running in the background. After that, just to close stuff here, go to search menu and type run. Click on open it. In run window, you just need to type percentage local app data percentage again. Click on OK to open up. In here, you just need to find Epic Games Launcher. Double click on it. Saved folder, web cache folder. Double click on it. In here, click on any folder and press in keyboard Control plus A to select all. Then right click on it and select delete it. And now you just need to close stuff here. Now you can open the Epic Games Launcher. Now select this gear icon. Scroll down and select troubleshoot. After getting this done, you just need to go back and now you can log into your account. Select the continue option. Almost done. Select continue. And now the Epic Games logged in without having any problem. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.